ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋಬಿಡ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟಾ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಹುಡುಗರು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗ ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಹೌದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತದ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ
Yes, sir.
good afternoon. We'll start now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon,
First
sir.
model completed. I said the notes also. You can go through that same notes only. I will ask for the first internals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This
Sir,
now I will start.
important questions for
Sorry.
Important questions, sir.
Important questions. I will not give you important questions. Okay. But I said the notes, but I will not give important question because this subject is difficulties. If I will give important question, if people are considering only important question, you will not see there what is there in the notes. Okay, that purpose only I am not given any important questions. But don't worry about marks. Okay. And this thing second model plan to start for the this time because second model is fully problematic. It is difficult to solve the problems in the online. I'll go to directly for fifth model. The fifth model is for theoretically and PU problems only for that. Okay. Hello. Any doubts or any clarification for this?
yeah, sir. It's okay if you don't give the important questions, but then you can just tell the repeated questions which is being asked from video.
Yes, yes, yes. I will give that one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then anything else?
No, that's it.
So now I will go to for the model fifth, second and third and fourth model. I will explain in the offline. Again, I will explain in the first model also because in the first model, PU problems I didn't explain. I explained, but it's not proper way. And some of the PU student they are not getting the how to solve the problem. They are getting confusion and also it is difficulties. Okay, only PU problem I took in the online classes. I explained that and again in the I will explain in the offline classes also. Don't worry about in the first model. Okay, theory part you can concentrate and problem part problems again I will solve the all the models. Huh? Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now we'll start this one model fifth for digital to analog conversion and analog to digital conversion. This is very important for your futures and also it is very important for the career and also it is very important for the gate exams overall going for the competitive examinations. Okay, this is for digital to analog conversion and analog to digital conversion. How to do for the digital to analog and analog to digital conversion? First you can take the any waveforms or any waves or any signal through sensor. You have to detect that waves and convert it into the digital form, or if you wanted to consider as a digital inputs, for example digital input is 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, that also you can convert it into the analog formation also. How to do this conversion? In the can take there are generally there are two classification for electrical signals. What are the electrical signals? One is for analog signal, another one is for digital signals. Here the analog signal, here for analog signal, 1 minute. Here, analog signal that use amplitude can take any value in between to the limits. That is for digital to analog or analog to digital. In between, you can take analog. It will take continuously. That is nothing but any waves or any signals or any audio or video recording. That also you can take continuously. For the digital is nothing but discrete. That is you can take this step by step. For example, if you take consider as any electrical signal one, then you have to wait for 0, then you can take for the 1 and 0. That is nothing but discrete signal for D to A and A to D. Here there are linear electronic circuits. Here, like you can take the generate the analog signals, whereas the compares generate signals. Here, this is for analog signal. That is nothing but analog signal is nothing but you can take the calculate time versus temperature. If you wanted to find the temperature through a sensors, you can take and read the temperature continuously, not for the discrete. That is how much time is required to read the whole temperature of the human body or whole temperature of a room temperature or any other temperature also you can read with the help of analog signals. Here time seconds are given to the 5 to 10. You can take the temperature, it will start from the 20 till end of this continuous till it will read. Again you can take the digital signal, same thing you can read the temperature with the time with respect to time. It may be give us some delay to reading the data, that is it will read the data for step by step. Here you can need for analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. Why it is very it is need for the in any industrial application or other application also, you can convert always analog signal to digital signal or digital to analog signal, vice versa. Here we'll go to the some difference between, later and I will go to the applications of all the models. First you can take the analog to digital and digital to analog signal. 1 minute. Hello. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹ್ಮ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಗಿತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಚಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಮ್ 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 ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡು ಇನ್ನೇನು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಬಿಡು. ಹ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹ್ಮ್ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು. ಹ್ಮ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಬಂದು ಜನ. ಹ್ಮ್ 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 ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ. ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ 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 hello
Yes,
students.
sir.
Now sorry for that. Okay, now we'll go to the difference between analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. Here you can go to this first one is for uh, analog to digital analog to digital conversion and digital to analog conversion. First one I'll go for analog to digital conversion. What you have to do for the analog to digital conversion? Process of any converting analog signal into equivalent digital signal is called as analog to digital signal. How to convert for this A to D? For example, you can take the any electronic circuits or any process or any audio or video voices also you can take, or any signals also. Automatically equivalently you have to convert it into the digital form. That is for analog to digital conversion. Second point, if they go for any electronic circuits, which does this process is called as also analog to digital conversion. And you can go for the third one for when the circuit has only one analog input, you can convert it into the n number of digital data outputs. How can I convert it into the n number of digital data output? For example, if there is any video recording that you have to record it, and automatically you have to convert it into digital form. While converting digital form, you will get the number of strip lines or number of voice lines or number of digital outputs. That is the third point for mm, circuit has only one analog input and n number of digital data outputs. The next point is ADC is often referred to as a encoding devices. Always you have to use for AD to A to D to you can encode the information. For example, ADC can use to change the analog signal output, and also you can measure the temperature, also you can measure the pressure, also you can measure the humidity, etc. also with the help of A to D conversion. You can next is this is A to D conversion is very complex compared to the digital to analog conversion. For example, you can take the popularly they are using the money application for industries. First one you can go for simultaneous ADC, and also you can go for counter type ADC, and you can go for continuous ADC and a successive approximation and a suction counter, and also you can go for the signal ramp, single ramp, and dual slope. I will explain these all the classification of A to D converter in the next PPT. What do you mean by simultaneously? How they are converted into the A to D for the simultaneously? How to convert it for the while using the counter type? How to convert to the while conversion for the continuously? How to use for the successive approximation? How to use for the counters, and also how to convert for the say, any ramp wave signals and any other signals also I will explain in the next class. Next slide. Next you can go for the D to A conversion. That is D to A is conversion for the processing of converting digital input, digital signal is equivalent to the analog signal, that is called as D to A conversion. Any electronic circuit which does this process is called as also digital to D to A converters. Then you can take the here D to A converter, you can take the n number of digital data inputs and only you can convert one analog output. That is only it is there for vice versa for D to A and A to D conversion. The digital to analog conversion is referred as a decoding devices. Here, while conversion, it is a straightforward process, and also it is considerable easier than to A to D conversion. For example, you can take the types of DAC, resistive divider, binary ladder. That is nothing but R to R ladder. How to this will converted, I will explain in the next PPT for all the resistive divider as well as R to R ladder. Next you can see this when the digital to analog converter, digital to analog converter, this process of converting digital signal equivalent to the analog signal, and also electronic circuits does the process is called also digital to analog conversion. While they using digital to analog conversion, you can use the n number of digital data input. I can take only one output. That is the popular also they are using two types of digital to analog converter. Then you can go for the basic idea of how to convert to D to A conversion. A digital signal has to be converted into the equivalent analog signal. While converting, you can use the basic problems, or if we are using the basic changes of n number of digits voltage or currents or any equivalent analog input to voltages or any currents also. This can be most designing a resistive network. I will show you how they are connected to the resistive network, how they are converting to the D to A with the help of A to D. Okay, now in they can take the binary equivalent weight. For example, here if you are assigned any each bit digital number expressed in the fraction of total numbers, either you can take the how to take the according to the sequences. You can take 1, 2, 4, 8, and also you can take 16, 32 to n number of also, and also you can take the total number of bits. For example, if we are considering 3-bit binary signal tables here, 3-bit, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. Suppose if you are using to the 4 bits, you can take the 2 to the power 3, and 5th bit 2 to the power 4, you can take 2 to the power 4, and also you can take the 2 to the power 5, n number of bits. You can take the n number of bits. While taking this is for 0, 0, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, all ones. This is nothing but 2 to the power of 2 is equal to how much you'll get? 8. You can read as 0 to 7. Suppose 2 to the power of 3, how much you'll get? 16. You can read as 0 to 15. Then it will be, while taking this, it will be changes here: 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. It will be changes. When it will keep on changing, you can change the 3-bit or 4-bit binary signals. Here we can assume what you wanted to convert 3-bit digital input into analog output. Suppose if you are using the smallest number represented is, which is smallest number here for 3-bit digital inputs. Hello, anyone? Which is
Yes.
smallest which is smallest number in 3-bit binary number? This is the smallest number, no? Correct? And which is the largest number? Triple one is for largest number. Now you can take the equivalent to positive 7 volts. 0, 0, also 1, 1. There is a 7 discrete level are defined. Therefore, the analog signal can be divided into 7 levels. You can take the smallest increment change in the digital signal. That is nothing but smallest is 2 to the power of 0. That is for LSB. This is for MSB. Okay. LSB is least significant bit as well as most significant bit. In this equivalent to, you can take the, what is the values? LSB weight is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power of n minus 1. What is the n this here? What is the n here? How many number of bits? Remaining weight found for the 2, 4, 8. Okay. Now you can see here. N is number of bits. How many bits are there here? Anyone? 0 to 7 bits, no? Why are you getting confusion? See here. 1 divided by 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. What is the value you will get? That is for LSB. In the same thing, you can take the MSB also. MSB it is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power of n minus 1. What is this? Same thing. You can change these values. This is for 8 minus 1. You will get the LSB and MSB of binary 3-bit binary weighted circuits. In the next, you can go for resistive divider digital to analog converter. Here, for resistive digital analog to converter, you can take the how many bits? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, and 2 to the power of 2. These are the resistive inputs. What is the resistive input is? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, all 1. These are the my digital inputs. These are the analog outputs. How to convert it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here the resistive divider is a circuit of 2 or more resistor with voltage source. Here resistive voltages are 2 or more resistor voltage sources, and you can convert it into the voltage source for the analog outputs. Here the algebraic sum of voltage drop across the resistor is equal to voltage source. This can be used to the convert digital input to the analog output. Assume if you wanted to convert 3-bit digital input into analog output, You can see this diagram, and 0 is 0 volt, 1 is for 7 volts. That is nothing but you can take 1 is for 7 volts. Now how to divide into two things? 2 to the power of 0 bit must be changed to the 1. 2 to the power of 1 bit, it must be changed to the 2. 2 to the power of 2 bit is must be 4. Okay, like that you have to convert it into the analog outputs. While converting this, you can see this also. um, Resistor R0, R1, R2, these are divided circuit. It represents a divided circuits here, LSB and MSB. This you can convert it, connected it into the operational amplifier. This is operational amplifier. This is for feedback resistor. This is nothing but you can calculate the analog output. For example, LSB and MSB, LSB and MSB, you can take these two are connected parallel, then these two are connected parallel. Suppose you can take the R1 is equal to, already as R1 is equal to R1 into R2 R0, sorry, R0 into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. You can take it as R1 plus R2, where R1 is equal to 0, R2 is equal to 0, then you will get this values. In the same thing, what value you will get, you can make it as parallelly this values. For example, if you are using this bit is 2 to the power of 0, this bit is 2 to the power of 1, this bit is 2 to the power of 2. First bit is, what is the first bit? You can take it as 0, 0, 0, my inputs. What is the output we'll get here? 0 voltage. Suppose 0, 0, 1, this it will goes to here. Why they are using reference voltages? Feedback resistors. Then what is the values? You'll get the voltages for 1 volts or 2 volts or 3 volts, whether it will get generated in the positive or negative voltage. Next is you can take the 0, 1, 0 also, you'll get the 2 times. And again 1, 1, that is for 3 volts. Next you can tell it as 1, 0, 0, that is 4 volts. 1, 0, 1, 5 volts. 1, 1, 0, 6 volts. All 1, 1 is 7 volts. This is for how to convert to the digital weighted circuit for resistive divider. Here, the following criteria they are applying divider. There must be a one input resistor for each digital bits. Okay, beginning with LSP, each of the following registers, the value is one half of the size of the previous register. Then you can use the full scale outputs. Voltage equal to the positive voltage digital input signal. While taking this LSB as weight is 1 divided by 2 to the power of n minus 1, where n is a number of input bits. While taking the number of inputs, if there is any changes in the output voltage due to change in the LSBs, V divided by 2 to the power of n minus 1. That is nothing but digital input voltage level. Okay, here you can calculate the applying Millian's theorem. VA V naught into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 0 CR. V naught voltage into 2 to the power of 0, V1 2 to the power of 1, V2 2 to the power of 2. That you can take, don't consider this. Next you can take 2 to the power of n minus 1. Then you can calculate the how much voltage you'll get for the outputs. Suppose we here, while taking this output, first we have to take V naught, that is output is 2 to the power of 0. If you consider is 0, you can take voltage is 7 volts into 0. What is the value we'll get? That you can divide it by 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. What is the value we'll get? That is for analog outputs. This is for analog outputs. While taking main drawback for while using the resistor divider DAC, each resistor in the network has a different value. So error in the value of each resistor adds up. Also the value of resistor at MSB is there in the lowest. Also it is a draw the more current. Therefore the resistor used for the MSB is required to handle much larger than current the LSB resistors. That is for drawback. Here, how to solve this? You will see here. Uh, see here. For example, Find the binary equivalent weight of each bit 4-bit system. You can take the LSB 2 to the power 1 divided by 2 to the power of n minus 1. What is the value? 4-bit system is, you can take the 4-bit values. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This I will continue in the next class for this problem. Okay? Hello?
Okay,
Next
sir.
class I will continue this problem. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.